Everyone thinks that I have it all. It's so empty, living behind these castle walls. If I should tumble, if I should fall, would anyone hear me screaming behind these castle walls? There's no one here at all behind these castle walls.
Observing the estate through the gate from the outside looking in. Bet you would think I got it made, better look again. I got a butler, got a maid, and a mansion. He believe is that I'm living out a millionaire's fantasy with phantoms and Ferraris in the driveway. But you see, it came in exchange of a sane man's sanity. Your vision jaded by the Grammys on the mantelpiece. Just switch your camera lenses, you would see the agony. Apparently it's damaging the man you see before you on the canvas. He may seem alright, but all the disadvantages his family encounters overshadows his extravagance. Walk in my nines a while, I dare you with a scare you while it surely seemed like the king life seemed glamorous. It's seen through the eyes of untrained amateurs, because the camera doesn't see beyond the walls of the smiles on the castle till it falls in the pile.